You wouldn't dream of giving an 18-year-old a bunch of car keys and a car and saying, off you go, you can now drive. You have to have lessons, you have to learn. Well, it's exactly the same with cooking. Since the Thatcher government removed cooking from schools in the early 80s, I think our nation's been somewhat impoverished. I think one of the problems for young people if they're afraid to cook is there is so much junk everywhere. Chips, pies, all kinds of confectionery. There it all is, staring you in the face. None of these, of course, are bad in themselves, but too much, too often, leads to other problems. You get the whole problem of obesity. That leads on to much more pernicious problems like bulimia and anorexia. We're not here to solve these huge problems, but what we can do is play a part in helping to prevent them. My ambition and my dream is that anyone who wants to learn to cook can. So we've created an online cookery school to take somebody by the hand and lead them through it step by step. Let's start with looking at equipment, as this is what will make or break your first attempt. This isn't trying to teach people quickly, it's a very kind of laid-back, slow way of just learning to cook at your own time and your own pace. If you can explain to people all the things they need to know, like what is the right equipment, how to mix it, how to tell if it's cooked, you'll be able to see just what the recipe should look like at every stage. The most important aspect of this whole cookery school is that it's absolutely free. I've been writing recipes for 42 years, but now is the time to start really teaching people online. Good old-fashioned homely cooking not only enriches your life, but it saves you quite a lot of money as well. So if you're from age 9 to 109, you'll be able to learn anything from boiling an egg to baking a cake. It's very, very exciting. I don't think you could learn really in a better way.